Have you ever wondered how billions of sausages make it to our plates every year? Behind this familiar food lies a massive, high-speed industry that processes millions of pigs in factory production lines across the world. From high-tech machines to global logistics, this is the jaw-dropping journey of how sausages are mass-produced, faster, and on a larger scale than you ever imagined. Let's take you behind the scenes. Have you ever wondered how billions of sausages make it to our plates every year? Behind this familiar food lies a massive, high-speed industry that processes millions of pigs in factory production lines across the world. From high-tech machines to global logistics, this is the jaw-dropping journey of how sausages are mass-produced, faster, and on a larger scale than you ever imagined. Let's take you behind the scenes. Sausages are a staple in diets around the world. From smoky bratwurst in Germany to spicy chorizo in Spain and hot dogs in America, they are as varied as the cultures that enjoy them. But behind this familiar food lies a vast industrial operation, one that processes millions of pigs every year and churns out billions of tons of sausage for global consumption. This article takes you deep into the world of industrial meat processing and reveals how one of the world's most popular processed foods is mass-produced. The global sausage industry is massive. According to recent data, the world produces over 1.5 billion tons of pork products annually, with sausages making up a significant share. This translates to the processing of hundreds of millions of pigs every year, many of them bred and raised specifically for high-yield, high-efficiency factory operations. Major meat-producing countries such as China, the United States, Germany, Brazil, and Spain house some of the largest meat factories in the world, where thousands of pigs are slaughtered daily in mechanized plants designed to operate 24/7. The journey of a sausage begins long before it reaches the supermarket shelf. It starts on large-scale pig farms where animals are raised in highly controlled environments. These farms typically focus on efficiency and uniformity. Pigs are fed optimized diets, and their growth is monitored using data and technology. Once pigs reach the desired weight, usually between 220 to 280 pounds, they are transported to slaughterhouses. These facilities are often located near processing plants to reduce transportation time and cost, minimizing the risk of stress-induced health issues that can affect meat quality. Upon arrival, pigs are stunned and slaughtered using humane methods as required by law. Automated systems quickly bleed, scald, dehair, and eviscerate the carcasses. After inspection for quality and safety, the meat is chilled to prevent spoilage. Sausages can be made from different cuts of meat, but typically include trimmings, pieces of meat left over from primary cuts like hams or loins. These trimmings are sorted for fat and lean content to achieve the desired balance in the final product. The selected meat is ground using industrial grinders. Spices, seasonings, salt, preservatives like sodium nitrite, and sometimes fillers such as breadcrumbs or soy protein are added. The mixture is then blended thoroughly in large stainless steel mixers. For smoother textured sausages like hot dogs or frankfurters, the mixture is emulsified into a paste using high-speed cutters and emulsifiers. The sausage mix is then funneled into casings, either natural, from intestines, or synthetic, collagen or cellulose-based. This step is also largely automated, with machines capable of filling and linking hundreds of sausages per minute. Depending on the type, sausages are either smoked in smokehouses, cooked in ovens or water baths, or left to dry and cure, as with salami or pepperoni. This stage enhances flavor and ensures food safety. Finished sausages are cooled, inspected again, and packaged using vacuum or modified atmosphere techniques to preserve freshness. They're then shipped to supermarkets, restaurants, or exported around the world. The modern sausage industry thrives on automation and data analytics. Sensors track temperature, humidity, pH, and moisture levels throughout the production process. Robotic arms, conveyors, and smart machines replace many human roles to ensure consistency, reduce contamination, and increase output. A single large factory can produce up to 2 million sausages a day, making it possible to meet the enormous global demand. These operations are supported by powerful logistics and cold chain systems that ensure the product remains safe from factory to fork. However, This scale of production does not come without criticism. Animal welfare groups frequently raise concerns about the conditions in which pigs are raised and slaughtered. Environmentalists point to the massive carbon footprint, land use, and waste generated by industrial pork farming. To address these issues, some companies are investing in sustainable practices, including cleaner waste management, reduced water usage, and even plant-based sausage alternatives. Still, the pressure on natural resources remains a major challenge. As demand continues to rise, especially in developing countries, producers are exploring new technologies such as lab-grown meat, AI-powered quality control, and blockchain for traceability. The goal is to make sausage production not just faster and cheaper, but also safer, more transparent, and more ethical. Sausages may seem like a humble food, but their production involves one of the most complex and controversial processes in the global food industry. From farm to factory to fork, every bite of sausage represents the intersection of tradition, technology, and the ever-evolving food economy. As consumers become more conscious of where their food comes from, the sausage industry is being challenged to innovate and adapt without losing the flavors that have made it beloved for centuries. So the next time you bite into a sausage, remember the incredible journey it took from the farm to the factory, through cutting-edge machinery and global supply chains. But as this industry grows, so do questions about ethics, the environment, and the future of our food. Will sausage stay the same or evolve into something new? If you found this video eye-opening, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching.